Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today I just want to show you my case, my new one that I'm going to be replacing with the Fractal. So this is the LIAN Diaric O11 in black. This is a tempered glass version. They also have the white one. I was going to get the air cool one, but unfortunately it was too much plastic. I feel like if I had that case, it's like me buying a Saturn. And yes, I know Saturn's been out of business for a while, but I like how this case looks. Pretty much we're going to open up inside, but it kind of sucks I can't show you, so this is the best way I can explain it. So you take off only these two thumb screws, slide this out. Also comes with a dust filter at the top, and this side panel, same thing you could do if I can maintain the grip. So give me 1 second. There we go. So once you take off those two screws and move the top panel, the rest comes off easily. Also comes with dust filters at the sides as well. And of course, for more easy work, same thing. You remove the tempered glass side panel and the front, and you pretty much have easy access. So I'm going to pause the video and remove this because I want to put this in a safe place. So okay, I removed one of the side panels, and right here has this nice vibration dampening strip, I like to call it, on the top and the bottom. Now what this does is, one, it prevents vibrations, and two, protects the tempered glass from making contact with the chassis of this case. Now this thing, hands down, I do love this case because why? You can go nuts with water cooling on this case. So you can add up to 360 radiators or 240s. I don't know about, you can add a 120, but that'd be kind of stupid. But pretty much my concept or layout, why I'm going to do this, is to add a 360 right here at the side and one at the top. Now the bottom, I'm not going to put nothing at the bottom, but what I will put is the two SSDs I have right here. Let's go move on to the back. The back, you got your place to put your mechanical hard drives or SSDs, or you can remove this and add a secondary power supply. Choice is up to you. Right here at the back, this is when you want to mount your power supply. Now this, you can remove these. We can remove this with two thumb screws, and you can make mechanical hard drives or SSDs. Pretty much that's it. And you got a lot of cable hooks right there to cable manage your cables. Now keep in mind, this thing does not come with a reset switch. It does come with a power switch, 2 USB ports, and audio jacks and USB-C. So pretty much that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's my case. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thumbs up. Any questions, you know what to do. I'll see you guys later.